can get you another round of breaking update on the Morning News Hour. We talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who shortly will be meeting the Paralympics contingent at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. This has been the historic Paris Paralympics campaign, with 29 medals, are much better than the previous tally, including 7 golds, 9 silvers and 13 bronze medals, marking the country's best performance in the competition history, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be interacting with the Paris Paralympic contingent at Lok Kalyan Marg at his residence in the national capital. And of course, when it comes to the Prime Minister himself, we have seen that how he has been engaging with the winners of the medals there, as he personally was calling them. We remember when he had taken out time while being on an official visit to Brunei to call up and to congratulate India's champions who have secured a historic performance. The winning, when it comes to the medal tally, is concerned, it is significantly higher than the previous Paralympics contingent that played in the Olympics. Let me straight away go across to Karishma now. Karishma, good morning. Excellent performance when it comes to our Paralympic contingent, and they are all set and eager to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Well, it's absolutely, Amita. Today at 12 p.m. is when the Paralympic contingent is set to meet the Prime Minister. It is, of course, going to be a much awaited meeting for all these para-athletes. The amount we've spoken to them over the last few days, this is the only thing that they're looking forward to. They had spoken to him virtually before leaving for the Paralympics, so they're very excited to meet him in person, to show him their medals and whatever they have got for him from Paris as well. So, of course, this is going to be a very heartwarming meeting as well. And we know how PM Modi has set the precedent, meeting all the athletes before and after the games, and not just medalists, but each and every one of them who could not even win a medal, to motivate them to do better in the other tournaments. So, of course, at 12 p.m., all the athletes are going to be looking forward to meeting the Prime Minister.
All right. Looking forward when this meeting takes place at around noon, when the Paralympic contingent will be meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi at 7 LKM. Thank you very much, Karishma, for joining in. You're watching the Morning News. We will be back after a very short break.